Jack, you look like a dirty hobo with eyeliner and braids. What are you, a girl? And what is up with the shells hanging from your braids?
Well, I do not bathe and my hair is super cool. So shut up, DJ Not Nice. I hang out with men on a sweaty pirate ship. And what is up with your hat?
What do you mean? I look the way the director made me look.
That's just it. You need to show off your true self.
Okay, I will try.
Oh, gosh, that's ugly. Why would you look like that? Why did you have to turn ugly? I thought you were pretty. Why would look like that? You look weird with a floating head.
I didn't do anything yet.
Sorry, just practicing for the real thing.
What do you mean by that?
No, if that is the right answer. I was not listening.